Hi kindergarten, hi families. Today we're going to learn how to say the first sound in a word. So I'm going to give you a few words and we're going to practice together saying the first sound in a word. The first word is jump. Jump. What is the first sound in jump? J is the first sound in jump. What about fall? What is the first sound in fall? Is the first sound in fall. Good. Let's try one more together and then I'll give you a few to try on your own. What is the first sound in quick? Quick. Quick. Is the first sound in quick. Okay, now I'm going to give you several words and you're going to try to say the first sound in each word, okay? Seat. Seat. Next word, zoo. Zoo. Next word, puppy. Puppy. Next word, wish. Wish. Next word, button. Button. Great job, everyone. If you're still a little confused, rewatch the video and that might help train your ear hear the first sound in every word. If you're ready to move on, do the worksheet below. Thank you. Stay tuned.